Hey, what's up, guys? The reason I'm sharing this is because this is legit, like when you need a motel in the middle of nowhere and you're hitchhiking. So I actually just walked almost an hour up the shoulder of an interstate in the middle of nowhere, freaking Vermont. And I stayed at this motel a few years ago. It's kind of my day off right now from where I'm working. So let's see how good these Frigidaire wall units are. For all the people that put these in apartment complexes and stuff and everything else, I just figured I'd make a video of it. So now it is a piece of junk, but maybe it's better than other wall units, I don't know. Oh, you're kidding. You gotta be kidding me. Is that all water? Nah. You gotta be kidding. I can't sleep with that. Oh, that is retarded. It's all full of water. See, there used to be GE thin lines. Yeah, that's all water. Hopefully it'll evaporate off. I heard the compressor come on. Dude. Like that noise, that rumbles throughout the entire place. That's annoying. All right, we'll see how well it cools. It's full of water though, man. That's crazy. Hopefully it'll drain out enough to get rid of that noise. Alright, it's been running for about an hour and it dropped at a few degrees. Did remove humidity decently well. Really my main complaint is weak airflow and a loud fan. It's got one of those paddle design fans like all these Frigidaire units have. But yeah, I mean it works for the night. Obviously, I don't like Frigidaire that much, but also I found the wasp nest. I was looking back at the video, there's something floating around in there. A couple of those running too. So I'm basically stuck here for the night, so I hope it works.